can yelling in a coffee shop get you arrested? What does Wisconsin law actually require for disorderly conduct? And did these officers meet that standard?
Hey, Seeker.
Hey, Andrea.
I'm going to treatment in one day. We're bringing me here to get me home.
Okay.
And I'm just going to sit and nod.
Okay.
I probably shouldn't went to the bars. I looked for Dad for a second. I f***ed up with that, but
Okay.
I'll go back home and I'm good.
What happened at Catherine's?
Catherine, who's Catherine?
Catherine's Market.
I don't know what that means.
The coffee shop? Were you in a coffee shop
No.
just a little bit ago?
What does Catherine's shop mean?
It's Catherine's Market.
Okay, show me what
it's
that
a coffee shop. Well, that's a business.
Oh,
it's 2
yes.
blocks away.
I'm sad because it's different from what I remember. I just told them to use square cones. Hey, guys, if you grew up with what I grew up with, they were square
the square ice cream.
Right.
Yep. They still have it.
No, but they do what they don't. And I was kind of bummed. That was
Okay.
it.
Okay.
I wasn't mean. I just kind of verbally kind of was mean. And I told her I was sorry and I won't do it again.
Okay. What's going on?
No, she was really freaking out about, like, my family owned this place and you guys are ruining it and blah, blah, blah. And if somebody buys a place, then you should carry on tradition. And she was like, just use the square scoop. And then she just kept on going on and on about how dare we buy this place and not use the square scoop. I'm like, we do use the square scoop.
Oh my gosh.
And then, yeah, she was flipping off all of it. I was like, nope, we actually don't need to do that.
Right. So then you came outside with her?
Yes, because I was trying to get her away from all of those people.
Okay.
I was like, let's go outside. And that's when she started telling me all those things. And just quit. Just use a square scoop. I'm like, well, we have 2 options for people.
Right. Right.
And I wanted to be like, well, your family actually only gave us one of the square scoops. They kept the other one. So
I don't even know if
whatever.
that's...
I have no idea.
Right.
And then she goes, yeah. And then she goes, I don't care if you don't use that square scoop. I'm going to come burn your house down. And I was like, okay, have
Good
a great
enough.
day.
Okay.
So.
And sir, I won't do it again.
Okay.
I'm going home, and my uncles, my dad, everybody is so mad at me right now, and I have to just go home.
Why are they all mad at
sorry,
you?
Because I have to go.
So where's home at, Andrea?
I don't know. Here. This is my home.
Okay, but I mean, I thought you meant like specifically a house. Like that's what I was asking. Like where's your dad
I'm
live?
specifically going to treatment.
Okay. All right. Well, Officer Brenham right now is at Catherine's Market, so he's trying to figure out what they have to say. Okay.
All right.
And until we figure that out, then
Cousins and my uncle came and picked me up and brought me here to be safe.
Okay.
I've never had this problem in Eau Claire, and I could have sat in Eau Claire and dealt with this and gone where I was supposed to and done bad drugs. I haven't done drugs in 4 to 5 days. Thank you.
Okay.
I know it's good. You don't even know me.
So, I guess you're willing to be a complainant on this as well?
Yeah, that's fine.
Wonderful. I've got all your information, so we'll decide you to the call, and you might get called to court for it, you might not. So, outside of that, I'm going to clear from here, and I'm going to go deal with this problem.
Okay.
So,
Hopefully you find her.
Oh, we already found her. They got a pile of us out with her, so I'm going to go join the club.
Okay, perfect.
So,
Catherine, what's your address right now? Besides the
my name's not
Andrea.
Catherine.
Sorry,
Andrea,
okay.
John Dalton, he lives on...
Yeah, but I know John.
Okay, then get off my dick. It's my dad.
I'm not on that. Okay.
Well, that's my father.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
Okay,
I was
great.
just simply asking for your residence. Okay, I'm sorry that I called you Catherine. I apologize.
That's okay. I'm
All
sorry
right.
that I thought you were kind of not who I thought you were.
No.
In that moment. I could
Okay.
have said a lot of things just there, but I didn't.
Okay, that's probably good.
It
okay.
is.
All right. So yeah, we'll just wait for Officer Brenham to figure out what happened down at Catherine's. Okay.
Well, I just said it was rude, and they were...
And I appreciate your honesty.
I was bummed out. I found out my dad's sister isn't there. I'm mad at him. He and I are not... I have to be cool with him.
Okay.
He wants to be cool with me. I don't want to be.
Okay.
I come back. I realize that's up. Try me, dude. My father's my father. He's my father since I was a very little girl, and that's my dad.
Okay.
And he is my everything. He's a little distraught. I've never been... We're all scared.
Okay.
But I'm doing what I have to do to make sure.
And that's great. Okay.
Right, that's great. So let's embarrass him even more.
We're not trying to embarrass
Can
anybody.
we not embarrass him anymore?
We're not trying to embarrass anybody. Okay. I don't
Take
know
us sort of to
I don't know
jail.
what all
That's-
went down at
that's the
Catherine's
funniest
Market.
thing.
That's what I'm waiting
Nothing.
to find out from my partner.
I thought they should have square. That's it.
But as far as I do, they do.
Okay, so cares? Like, that's not a federal, that's an offense.
No, that's not
Sorry,
offense
I
for the
told
ice
them they
cream.
were wrong with how they did their ice cream.
Okay.
Can I please walk?
No, not right now, and not
Yes,
to
I
officer.
can.
No, you cannot.
I
okay?
legally can.
No, you cannot.
Legally, I can.
No, you cannot.
Yes, I can.
Andrea,
I won't.
I'm trying to be honest with you.
I won't.
No, you cannot.
But I legally can. I know I can, but I won't.
Okay,
'cause
thank
I'm
you. I
cool.
appreciate it. I appreciate
But
it.
like, what the fuck?
I don't know. Right now, they're just figuring out what happened down there.
Oh my god,
and I'm
because
just
I'm
waiting
mad
for my
about a
partner.
square cone. Of an ice cream cone.
Like, what kind of language did you use there?
I said, suck my mother's cock. You have a square cone, you Arab. I don't care what I said.
Okay. My
I
partner's
didn't
right
say
here.
that. I never said that. But I'm just saying, like,
So you did or you didn't?
I didn't. But I don't care if I did. What would
Okay.
that matter?
Well, the way you said it, you made it sound like you said like you did.
Who cares if I did?
It's
How
not.
does that take any
It's not.
difference?
It's not something we do
Versus-
in public like that for just ice cream. Okay.
So what is the difference in your guys' legal terminology?
When somebody's loud
When
and
somebody
boisterous,
just
when
says-
somebody is using profane language like that, you can't do that.
You gotta
okay.
arrest them.
No, not necessarily.
Okay, so could I please keep
No,
walking?
right now, Officer Brenham's here. Okay, so now we're gonna figure out what's going on.
Because he probably knows something.
Okay. Andrew, what's going on
I just want to
today?
go to. I'm tired. I don't know. I'm bright. I can barely walk up this.
Okay.
So you guys are pissing me off. Can I lean against this truck, or am I gonna upset somebody?
I don't know whose car that is.
Well, then you know what? She might be smuggling drugs up her.
Andrea, stand up for me.
No, because I just told you I feel uncomfortable and I have to lean down or sit on something.
Okay.
Here,
So that's where we're at.
I'm just simply picking up your dollars
That's
so it
where
doesn't
we're
fall
at.
away.
What's up, bud?
So, why are we in Catherine's Market
I
screaming
don't
and cussing
know
at
because
people?
I was mad about something and they already asked. So what's wrong now?
She said she was mad about the square ice cream not being there.
Yes,
Correct.
I was being a
Correct.
crybaby, ridiculous little brat, and I'm pregnant for being a snot, and I haven't seen my family in a long time.
Okay.
And I'd like to just go home and go sit in a corner and probably just shut the up.
Okay. Well,
But I have 7 squads around me.
yeah. Well, there's
Discussing
4 of
how
us.
I don't like squared ice cream.
Okay.
That's
So,
when I
but-
don't
but-
know about America.
You are yelling and cussing at the employees there and
Everybody's
other and
okay.
customers.
I feel bad. Tell them I'm sorry.
Okay.
I will do everything I can to make sure I'll never go back there. I'll never go back there.
Okay, cool. So, Andrea, at this point, you're under arrest for disorderly conduct. So, if you want to stand up for me,
What?
stand up for me, face towards the car, please. Okay, you're
I'm
under
under
arrest.
arrest for disorderly conduct?
Yes, you're under arrest for disorderly
I'm a
conduct.
female.
Face towards the car, please. Thank you.
And now what happens?
You're going to go to the jail and you're getting booked in on 2 counts of disorderly conduct
For what?
for cussing and swearing at the lady in there.
And I go to jail?
Yes, it's disorderly. You can't
So
act
how
like
do
that
I
in
get
public.
out?
Okay, that's cool.
I'm going to a goddamn treatment center.
Okay,
I'm supposed
we're
to
gonna
be
walk
there
over here.
tomorrow.
We're gonna walk over here.
Everybody is waiting on every moment of
Okay,
this.
cool. That's great. The body camera's on, ma'am.
I'm telling you right now.
Okay, that's fine. Is there anything on you I need to know about? Drugs, guns, knives, anything like that?
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you stand right here for me. Yeah. If we can. I don't know how we're gonna manage that.
There, I got it.
Are you guys serious right now?
Yeah.
I'm that big of a problem?
Well, when
When
multiple
I came
people
home
call 911 to
I came
report
home
your
to get better
behavior.
and I just got into town.
Yep.
I just got into town.
We're gonna take. Hold on. We're gonna take your bag off for you here.
I just got into town. So now what? I'm
Okay.
They
Well.
want me out.
Stop.
Watch my
Yeah,
left arm. Watch
stop.
my left arm.
Stop.
I'm not. I'm not.
Stop. Okay.
I'm not,
fixing it. You
dude.
gotta stop.
Don't talk to me like that.
You gotta stop pulling away and moving your arm.
Nobody did pull away or move their arm. Don't you dare. Who is this new sergeant? Who are you? Who are you? What a chump. I'm sorry you guys had to have this kind of guy as your boss. You're a bad human being.
Cool. All right, Andrew, sit in the car for me.
We all know, buddy.
Sit in the
We
car.
all know, buddy.
Sit in the car.
I didn't do it right.
Andrea, sit in the
We
car.
didn't do it right, so
Andrea.
smash your head in.
Sit in the car.
We know how.
Sit in the car, please.
What do you want me to do?
I want you to sit down and put your
Well,
feet in
right,
the car.
but you made sure my life was hell.
I did not. Okay,
Disorderly on a situation. Every PO is on my side.
Put your feet in the car. That's great. Thank you. Thank you. Cigarettes. I got a 10. You still have that dollar?
Yeah, I still got the dollar.
Cool. I'll stick that in there so we know where it's at. These items we'll put on the floor for safekeeping.
Rapists. They're real rapists. And you guys are sitting here looking at me?
Nothing there. I'll stick that back in there. These I'm going to seize as evidence, and she's on a no drink.
Good.
All right, and her purse, her wallet.
Where did she come out of?
The alley here started to cut across the parking lot.
So maybe she did come from the barn.
She saw me and kind of gave me a double look, so I just pulled in front of her when she tried to cross the street.
That works.
Cool. Well, thanks for being.
One woman, 4 officers, an ice cream dispute, and a legal framework that most people get completely wrong. Here is what the law actually says. Wisconsin Statute 947.1. Disorderly conduct requires conduct that is violent, abusive, indecent, profane, boisterous or unreasonably loud, and occurring under circumstances tending to cause or provoke a disturbance. Both elements must be present. Profanity alone never satisfies the statute. The public disturbance threshold is the operative legal question, not the content or volume of what was said. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 S, 451, 1000, 987. The First Amendment protects verbal challenges to law enforcement, including profane and offensive expressions. That protection has limits. Shaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315 U.S., 568, 1000, 942. Words that, by their very utterance, tend to cause an immediate breach of the peaceful, outside First Amendment protection. The arson threat applies here. Wisconsin Statute 947.12. Unlawful threatening. Intentionally threatening to cause property damage with intent to cause a person to believe harm will occur. Class A misdemeanor, up to 9 months in jail. Fourth Amendment probable cause requires the totality of circumstances to support a reasonable belief that a crime was committed. Multiple 911 calls, a named complainant, and the subject's own admissions satisfy this. Critical officer lesson. Stating cussing and swearing as the arrest basis omits the operative element of section 947.1. A legally incomplete articulation weakens the record and creates civil exposure. A complete articulation must cite the multiple 911 calls establishing disturbance, the arson threat under section 947.12, and prior convictions triggering the repeater modifier under section 939.62. Wisconsin Statute 939.62, repeater modifier, elevates sentencing beyond the standard 90-day Class B misdemeanor ceiling for defendants with documented prior criminal convictions. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386, 1000, 989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not judged in hindsight. Restraining a disclosed pregnant subject requires modified technique, proactive communication before applying pressure, immediate adjustment on pain response, and zero pressure to the abdomen. These standards were not fully observed here. Officer lesson. Document the pregnancy disclosure in the incident report. Apply modified restraint protocol from the outset, not after a pain response. A corrected technique after the fact does not reset the applicable standard. Citizen lesson. Voluntary statements made before any Miranda advisement carry full evidentiary weight and will be used in prosecution. The right to remain silent begins the moment law enforcement contact is made. No contest plea entered via joint recommendation. Court found guilty. Sentence. 8 days, time considered served. $20 in court costs. The repeater modifier under section 939.62 remained attached to the conviction. But the record leaves critical questions unanswered. The arrest basis stated to the subject omitted a key statutory element. Was that omission legally sufficient to challenge the charge? A no contest plea closes the criminal matter. It does not resolve a potential section 1000, 983 civil rights claim. Did the department face civil liability exposure? That file remains open. And the probation violation. A separate legal matter with potentially far greater consequences than the disorderly conduct conviction itself has no documented resolution in the available public record. 3 legal threads, 0 complete answers in the public record. What should have been done differently? And who bears responsibility for the gaps? The analysis does not end here.